A-level maths quickly revising or recapping integration in this video lesson. It says given that k is a constant, find the indefinite integral, the integral k, or the summation of 4 over x cubed plus k x dx, so with respect to x, simplifying your answer. Well, the first step is to write this fraction in index form. So it's going to be the integral of 4x to the power of minus 3, so 4x to the minus 3, plus kx with respect to x, so with respect to dx. Okay, now here is the process. We're going to add 1 to our power and then divide by that new power. We have 4x to the minus 2 over minus 2 plus kx squared over 2. So we add 1 to the power of x and then we divide by that new power. And then don't forget your plus c, your constant of integration. Okay, obviously when there are limits, there's no need for plus c, but when there are no limits, okay, when it's indefinite integral, put that plus c on. I'm now going to simplify this. So 4 over minus 2 makes minus 2, so minus 2x to the minus 2 plus a half kx squared, okay, plus c as our answer. Next up, hence find the value of k such that the integral from 0.5 to 2 of 4 over x cubed plus kx dx is equal to 8. So obviously using our answer to part A, that's obviously now been integrated, okay, so it's going to be minus 2x to the minus 2 plus a half k x squared, okay, we don't actually need the plus c here, okay, from 0.5 to 2. Now, when we work this out here, so when we work out this integral, so the top integral minus the bottom integral, that's going to be equal to 8, and then we're able to solve for k. So on the top, we're going to have minus 2 brackets 2 to the minus 2 plus a half k times 2 squared, so half k times 4, okay, subtract or minus in this bracket here, okay, minus 2 brackets a half to the minus 2 plus a half k times a half squared. Okay, now when we do this subtraction, we're going to get the answer to be equal to 8. So we're obviously going to form some equations. So 2 to the minus 2 is a quarter, times it by minus 2 makes minus a half. Then we got plus a half k times 4 makes positive 2k. Okay, subtract, again, got to be very careful here. A half to the minus 2, so I'm going to flip it and then square it. That's going to be 4. 4 times minus 2 makes minus 8. And then here, half square makes a quarter times a half makes an eighth, okay? So when we subtract that, we get the answer to be 8. So collect like terms now. We've got minus a half minus minus 8. So that's minus a half plus 8, which gets us 7.5 or 7.5. Okay, I'm going to dismantle here just to make it a bit easier for my numbers. 2k plus an eighth k makes 2 and an eighth. So as a fraction, that would be 17 halves k, okay, or 8 point, sorry, or 2 point, sorry, what am I doing? So 2 and an eighth, yeah, which would be, so, no, sorry, 2k minus an eighth k, I apologize, sorry about that, mistake there. So that's going to be plus 1 and 7/8, so that's going to be 15/8 k is equal to 8. Subtract 7.5 on both sides, we get 15/8 k is equal to a half. Then I'm going to multiply by 8, so we get 15k is equal to 4, so times it by 8 on both sides, and then divide by 15, so k is equal to 4 over 15, or k is equal to 4/15. And that would satisfy that integral there, okay? Hopefully I haven't made any mistakes. Okay, 2k minus makes 1 and 7/8. 8 times 1, yep, that is right, yep. Yeah, okay, so subtract, yeah, we get a half there, okay, so 8 minus 7, yeah, 0.5, yeah, makes a half of 0.5, times up by 8, 15k equals 4, yep, so k is equal to 4/15 as our answer.